Check out this giant circular magnet drop down and suck up a pile of dust with metal components in a really artful way. As a means to keep the production line at Chick-fil-A free and uncluttered, the chicken chain has developed a conveyor belt that transports their food via the ceiling. Watch this old piece of rust-covered scrap metal get restored in just seconds, thanks to this ultra-powerful laser with an energy output of 150 millijoules. What starts off as a solid piece of metal on a mill turn quickly gets sheared into a custom trailer hitch by various carving arms coming in from different angles. This large piece of fish gets filleted into thin slices in just seconds when it gets pushed through a cutting machine with sharp blades that oscillate from side to side. A tractor with a rotating rake-like arm that spins in a counterclockwise fashion rapidly scoops up and gathers unwanted rocks in a field. Ingenious airless sprayer tips containing different paint colors are mounted to this truck to create perfect aero lines for incoming airliners. Through gravity and rotation on a wet run of concrete, this concrete road edger forms up a perfectly sculpted road curb in just seconds. A pre-made foundational rope is placed inside a series of smaller ropes and then braided and spliced to create a rope strong enough to tug a boat.